Carter, you rolling? Yeah. Yes, y'all, sir. Yes, y'all. So, Carter's somewhere. He took off somewhere. We're over there screaming now.
Okay.
Where's your bike?
A bug. Okay. A bug on your bike?
Carter, look at your bike. There's bugs outside. They live outside. So we're at these baseball fields.
It's hot.
It is hot. Skyline? She's chilling. So we're just going for a walk.
A ride for Carter. But on his bike, I guess. Huh?
Yeah. So he threw his bike down. Huh?
Close to me because I want to go by myself.
Carter, no, you gotta learn how to use the brake. All right, try to use the brake. Carter,
Brake.
brake.
Watch me going.
Okay. Before you start going fast, you gotta know how to use the brake. So you know, before you hit something, you can brake. Carter, use the brake. Use the brake. So Carter just jumps off. Come on, where you going?
Ooh, there's a lot of bugs over here.
Let's keep going.
No, we're not even going to the playground.
Yeah, we can't. Carter, you remember we've been here to this playground? Well. So yeah, me and Carter we've already explored this playground. It's a pretty good playground. It's not too bad. These have better slides though.
Don't say it.
Carter thinks he knows what he's doing. So it's a nice day today. It's actually yeah, it's kind of definitely gotten hot, but it's humid. Yeah, it's humid out here.
You want to sit up? Sit up.
Carter, where you going?
Over here.
Okay.
The fields are nice over here.
Yeah, they got some nice baseball fields, and they do have, yeah, they do have people playing. They've done that. There'll be a lot of games on the weekends, early mornings, so it's pretty cool.
Carter's there, riding the bike. Just good job. Did you use the brake? Yep. Dad, I want to show you guys this view. Carter, come on, come back this way so we can get this view right here. Come on. Carter's getting really good at riding his bike. Now we're gonna have to teach him to ride it without the training wheels. Come on. Yep. There you go. Yep. See how good he's getting? Let me see if I can. There we go. Go. He's getting great at riding the bike. Dad's up there. Trying not to make. I'm walking, so trying not to walk too fast makes the video all shaky hands. But I want to show you guys this beautiful view. Maybe get a picture over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to zoom. Oh, look at that water. It's a nice day. Look at that. Just they're over there. This view over here. Nobody's out, so it's a good time to be out. If people are out, we would have to have our mask on. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Yep. You talking to me? Skyland's relaxing. The kids had checkups today. So we were at the doctor all morning. Look at that. So she's pretty wore out. She didn't even want the nurse or doctor or nobody touching her. She's really clingy. Dad trying to teach Carter how to ride the bike. We are out just enjoying the day. What happened, Carter? Carter, you want to say anything to the Slack fam? Your hair itching? You want to say anything to the Slack fam? That's okay. Where's your helmet? Let's see what Skyland's doing. She wants out. Sky. Sky. You want to get out? Sky. Go, Carter, go. Oh, Skyland wants to keep moving. Uh-oh, Carter. Carter's going up the hill. Give it all you got, Carter. Look at him. Woo, go Carter. Carter is getting great at riding his bike. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that view. Look at that. Oh. And it's nice. It's a good breeze out here. I'm ready for fall. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready for the fall weather. It's been like 100 degrees here. Like for the past couple of months, almost every day. So I'm really just ready for fall weather, fall attire. I'm ready to wear fall clothes, and because it's just too hot. So let's see what they're doing. Really just going on a bike ride, get the kids tired. I think we're kind of back where we started, the field. We're going down a hill now. Trying to teach Carter that when you go down a hill, you kind of got to slow it down, use the brakes. We still teaching him how to use the brakes. And when you're going up a hill, that's when you can pedal more and pedal harder. But see, yeah, you're trying to teach him that when you're going down a hill, you don't have to pedal. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Brake, Carter! He just jumps off. It's okay. You can see where we're at the lake. See how nice it is? Surprise a lot of people. It is a Thursday, a weekday, so that's maybe why a lot of people are not out here on the boat. But I'm pushing Skyland now. Carter's done with the bike ride. That's probably why a lot of people are not on their boats, but this is a good day to be out here. I could be out here all day, just sitting over there looking at the water.
Hmm?
Why are we doing a video?
You want to do video?
Maybe.
What are we doing?
Doing a video?
We're at the lake. We went to a different lake this time. We're gonna go to do a little picnic.
Yeah, we did not do a picnic.
Yeah, we haven't done a picnic video. We're about to do one. We might go in the shade over there with those trees. Or we might do it right here.
Is this a shade?
This is say right here.
Over there is the shade. Let's go over there in the shade.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can go.
Okay, Carter, we gotta find a picnic area for us to chill. I really wanted to do it where those people are sitting, but I think we can go over there. Skyland.
Carter, you gotta get on, stay on this side.
Slack fam, we found a picnic area. Carter, you hungry?
Carter, we just got here.
You just took your helmet off? Your head. Skyland.
You can leave those in. I don't want to come inside.
You in the shower?
Hey, Slack fam, what's up? Out here on a picnic. The boys found a good spot to go fishing. So that's what they're doing. If you can see them over there, let me zoom. They're gonna try to go fishing. Me and little mama here. Skyland! 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 She's ignoring me right now. What do you see? You hear the bugs? She's like, what is that? Stand up. Show them you can stand up. Show them you're a big girl. At? You telling mommy at? Huh?
The animal's over there.
Skyland is enjoying her, what are these little baby
Pop-Tarts.
puffs? She really wants some Cheetos, but she's digging in here. Here. She's eating too many at once. Skyland won. Good girl. Dad eating. Carter, you gonna say hey to the Slack fam?
Hi, baby.
You gonna say hey to the Slack
Hi,
fam?
baby. Slack fam.
What are you gonna eat?
I'm
You gonna eat first? What are you gonna eat first? I only made peanut butter and jelly. What are you gonna eat first?
I'm gonna eat peanut butter and jelly
It
sandwich.
is so nice out today. You can't see the water from here because we're like behind all these bushes and stuff. That's a good fishing spot over there?
The bees over there.
Oh, Carter said they were over there eating something.
The bees were.
Skyland, one at a time. Carter, what is it? Oh my goodness, Carter got the fishing rod stuck in his head. Okay, hold on. We just finished eating.
Yeah. And
Carter's, show them your hands. Carter's eating on some Cheetos. Cheeto Puffs. Skyland's trying to feed herself.
yeah. And she got no food.
She had, what'd she have? Sweet potatoes and bananas, that's her favorite right now. I just bought that one for her. Skyland, you want to say hey to the Slack fam?
Guess what, the guys? We already at the picnic.
We finishing up. You eating? And then what's next?
And then we can go ride my bike.
Oh yeah, Carter brought his bike. It's over there.
Yeah, behind Daddy.
Famous Spider-Man bike. And he wants to ride his bike on the trail. So that's what's next.
I'm done eating my food now.
Okay, you gotta wash your hands.
Wait. Fruit snacks.
Busy out here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that car. Let's see if you guys can see it. I'm trying not to film these people.
That car?
Yeah, that red one over there. Nice. Ooh. And it's a nice day to be riding with the top down. You ready to go, Skyline? You ready for your brother to go on a bike ride? Let me have this. Before you put it
Then we're gonna
too far.
And then we're gonna go fishing.
Maybe. Over there, yeah. It's nice water. People on the boats over there. Dad's about to go see if he can find a good fishing spot, I guess.
Daddy, be careful.
You want those fruits? You gotta wash your hands here. Here, Skyline was eating Cheetos like Carter. Oh, okay. She wants that one. And she has them everywhere. Here, wash your hands. Skyline, you made a mess. Skyline. Skyline.
Skyline, you made
Skyland's not listening to nobody. We really want to take the kids out here and do a picnic. We've never done this before. It's our first time. I don't think I've ever been on a picnic at all. Really. And I don't think Jeremy has either. He's over there trying to see if he can find a good fishing spot. He said there was some bees, a lot of bees over there though. He said there was a lot of bees over there.
Yeah. Get my shoe.
Get it. Good. Here's the other one. Skyland's out here enjoying it. She's an outdoor baby. She loves to be outside. Skyland! Skyland is cruising now. She is in that I want to stand up by myself phase. Go, mama! And that want to get on everything, climb on everything. I think she's going to be walking. Like in another month and a half, I think she'll be walking. Carter's over there. I don't know. He must have seen something. He holding on to his dad. What you see, Mama? Skyland. We brought her some toys out here. She likes this one. A fish? So we'll check back in with you guys when Carter starts to ride his bike. We'll show you how good he's got to ride his bike. He thinks he can do like little tricks and stuff on his bike. So catch back up with your fam. Boys are gonna see about fishing. Carter just threw his bait in. Let's see. Fishing with his helmet on. So pretty out here. Look at this. Good job, Carter.
Let me see. Let me throw it in one time. Carter, look. You have to go all the way down. Bring it back a little bit.
Careful.
Let me try to throw it in.
I'm gonna go first.
Careful, Carter.
Let me see.
So pretty out. Do you like outside? Do you like outside? Huh? Do you like outside? Skyline. Catch something. You tired, Carter?
No.
You ready to keep going?
Yeah.
Okay.
To keep going.
No, you need to leave your bike up here. We're not riding on the bridge. I'm about to go back down here with Dad. Come on. Slow down and watch where you're going. Dad's still over here fishing with Carter's little fishing rod. I want him to take a picture of me because this is just too good of a view to pass up on a picture. So, but we're still fishing. Yeah, I never been fishing. Your daddy let me throw the rod. The fishing rod. The bait. The.
No, you don't have to. You gotta do this.
Skylar.
You gotta
Skylar.
Let it go.
and then you gotta do this.